Hi everyone, Agnes here. Now today I really want to talk about self-love at a more advanced level. I've done so many self-love videos. I'll put the self-love playlist up here next to my head at the end of the video and also in the description below. But for those of you that want to go into the more subtle and not as obvious self-love practices, have a think about these four. Okay? Number one, boundaries, okay? If someone is being a dickhead, get out of there and say, oh, you're doing that now, are you? See you later. And you get out of there. Stop engaging in conversation with people that are trying to pull you down the plug hole, okay? You don't have to stay there. You don't have to waste your time, your energy. You don't have to go into explaining or responding if someone has done this to you numerous times, okay? Now, I see a lot of you standing there because you're sending me emails and saying this happened with this person, my boss, my specific person, my mum, my children, or whoever, and you are staying there too long, okay? And you're indulging them. Part of self-love is going, I'm actually quite calm and peaceful. No thanks, don't really want to be around that. And you step away, you grab your keys, your bag, your phone, off you go. You say one sentence, that's it. Okay? Number two, stop rewarding takers. Okay? People who come only when they want something, or they show up when they just want you to listen to them because they got some drama going on, they want your help. Okay, they come, but then when you've got something going on, or perhaps when you just want to get together and have a meal or enjoy just going out, they're nowhere to be found. Okay, so really look at who you have around you. Have you got takers around you? I am really, really big on giving, but you got to be a bit more street smart as to who you give to. This whole over-giving business is an epidemic, okay? So if you're one of them, really have a look at, is that something I still want to keep doing because it doesn't serve me? It's not self-loving, okay? Now, if you're saying to yourself, I am first best, but then you counteract with this over-giving business, your affirmations and your actions don't match, okay? You must back up what you're saying with your affirmations, and your actions need to go together, okay? Number three, stop indulging the overtakers who just want to offload on you verbally. You know, the friend that shows up and goes, oh, I've just got this drama going on, and they just want to go over and over and over and over the problem. Sometimes you need to listen to friends, but if you just keep listening and listening and allowing your vibe to go down, you're just consumed and focused on your friend's problem, you're not really helping them. It's better to say, hey, after 5-10 minutes, I know you got this going on. How can we focus on something more positive so that you can focus your way out of that? That's a helpful friend, okay? Just letting someone go on and on and on. These over talkers that just bombard you with problems, it is not good for you because you then take it into your energy field. Okay? And then you think about it when they're gone, and then you go, oh, you know, and then it leaks into your stuff. Okay? Number four, stop the gift giving to those who take you for granted. I'm seeing this so often. Okay, people giving flowers and money and cooking and paying their bills and lending them money. And the one I see a lot, you've lent someone money and then you see them on social media and they've gone on a holiday. So they didn't pay you back. They used the money to go and do something else. Now, it may not be the exact amount of money that you gave they've taken on a holiday, but why is someone going on a holiday if they owe you money? They should pay you back. If you're friends, if you're lovers, if you are family, institutions are different because you get loans and you pay things off. No problem. It's faceless. When it is in regards to relationships, pay your debts and make sure people pay their debts to you. Actually, I wouldn't even lend money anymore. I would give someone money if they need it, but I wouldn't lend it because it brings up a lot of negative emotion, this stuff. And then it makes you think, well, hang on a minute. I gave you my hard-earned money, because it is often hard-earned for a lot of people, and then you've then gone, thank you very much, taken it, and you were really, really needing it, and I could see, so I really wanted to help you. But then when it's time for me to get my money back, you choose not to be as thoughtful as I was, and you take it and you go on a holiday and you think that's okay. So stop the giving of the gifts, the money, all this stuff where people take you for granted. Okay, once this has happened to you once or twice, or you do it multiple times, you will get the resentment. And you know what resentment does to you? It's not good for your health. Okay, so which ones of these are you doing? Which ones do you need to pull up on? Let me know down below in the description. Stop the disrespecting the self. This is the more subtle ways of disrespecting the self that impacts you. It creates then you going over and over stuff. You feel not good, but it is you that didn't have the boundaries in the first place. So the boundaries is a big one, especially for you, the women. Men, I think, do this a little bit better than we do. We need to practice because it's like, oh, they need help. But no. Look at your interactions and look at who's taking the piss, as they say in Australia, which means taking you for a ride, basically disrespecting you, and really, you don't want that. That's part of self-love too. Okay? So, that's it.